Antidote poison. Antidotes. According to WHO, antidote was defined as a therapeutic substances used to counteract the toxic action of a specified xenobiotics. Supportive therapy plus correct antidote gives patient survival. Antidote reduce the overall burden of health service in managing of poisoning cases. Antidotes. Classification of antidote according to mode of action, according to site of action. Classification of antidote according to mode of action. First one physical, second one chemical, third one physiological or pharmacological. Classification of antidote according to site of action. First one interact with the poison to form non-toxic complex that can be excreted, chelators. Second one accelerates the detoxification of a poison, that is N-acetylcysteine thiosulfate. Then third one decreases the rate of conversion of poison into toxic metabolites, ethanol, fomepizole. Then fourth one compete the poison for certain receptor, naloxone. Then block the receptor through which the toxic effect of the poison is mediated, example atropine. And sixth one is bypass the effect of poison, oxygen in the treatment of CO and cyanide toxicity. Seventh one is antibodies to the poison, digibind and antivenin. Physical antidote, agent used to interact with poison through physical properties, not change their nature. Adsorption is the addition of atom, ion or molecules from a gas, liquid or dissolved solid to a surface. This process creates a film of the adsorbate on the surface of the adsorbent. The main example is activated charcoal. Then second one is for physical antidote is coating. A mixture of egg and milk make a coat over the mucosa. C is dissolving 10% of alcohol or glycine for carbolic acid. Charcoal, universal antidote, produced by heating pulverized carbonious substances, sawdust, peat or coconut shell. Activation, hot air to erode the internal surface of the product and thereby increase its adsorptive surface area. Then adsorption results from weak intermolecular van der Waals forces. AC can prevent systemic absorption of drug when given within a 1 to 2 hours of ingestion. The optimal dose is probably 40:1 ratio by weight of charcoal to a drug, contraindicated for iron, lithium, potassium and ethanol overdose. Special binding agent like EDTA, deferoxamine and diphenycyline act by chelation to metal forming more water soluble complex. Antivenin and antibodies agent digoxin are immunological generated agent that bind specially to the toxin or venom. Metabolic conversion, detoxification of to less toxic product. Nitrites interact with hemoglobin and cyanide to form cyanohemoglobin, which is less toxic than cyanide and therefore then interfere with the cyanide SS2 cytochrome oxidase system. Physiological antidote. They act by producing opposite effect to that of poison. Sodium nitrate converts hemoglobin into methemoglobin in order to bind the cyanide. Pharmacological antidote counteract the effect of poison by producing the opposite pharmacological effect. Example ACH inhibitors, example atropine. Pharmacologic antidotes may neutralize or antagonize the effect of toxicant. This type of antidote may act by following 5 mechanisms. First, preventing the formation of toxic metabolites, more effective when given immediately before toxic metabolic activation. Example ethanol and 4-methylpyrazole, which compete with the alcohol dehydrogenase which prevent the formation of toxic intermediate from ethylene glycol. Second mechanism by facilitation of more rapid or complete elimination of a toxicant. Change the physicochemical nature of toxin, allowing better glomerular filtration and prohibit tubular reabsorption. Example, molybdenum and sulfate for copper toxicity by making water-soluble complex. Third mechanism by competing with the toxicant's action at a receptor site. First, antagonism, competitive antagonism, naloxone, naltrexone, opioid dependence, longer action, and affinity for mu receptor. Flumenazole, antagonist for benzodiazepine, atropine organophosphate, carbamate, and other parasympathomimetic antidotes. It is also used to correct bradycardia caused by morphine digitalis beta blocker. Non-competitive antagonism, calcium gluconate, used for calcium channel blocker, especially verapamil. Draw, window, spider bite, lead colic, oxalic acid. Paralidoxime CHE activators act by breaking alkyl phosphate CHE bond. It is used in organophosphate toxicity. Then diacetyl monoxime DAM action same as PAM but with more blood-brain barrier penetration. Fourth mechanism by blocking receptor responsible for the toxic effect. The physiologic effect induced by a toxin is prevented by an antidote, although the toxicant is uncharged and may still be active. Example, atropine block the physiologic effect of acetylcholine at cholinergic synapse and neuromuscular junction in organophosphate toxicity. Fifth mechanism by aiding in the restoration of normal function. The antidote promotes return to normal function by repairing a defect or enhancing a function that correct the effect of poison. Example, methylene blue. In nitrate poisoning, methylene blue interact with reduced NADPH to reduce the ferric ion of methamoglobin back to ferrous ion in hemoglobin, which can against transport oxygen. Acetylcysteine. Acetylcysteine supplies the precursor amino acid for glutathione, which serve as biologic antioxidant against acetaminophen toxicities. Protein precipitant antimicrobial, that is silver nitrate, chemical formula AgNO3, molecular weight 169.89, preparation. It is prepared by the action of hot nearly concentrated nitric acid on pure silver. 3 parts of silver is added to a solution 25% nitric acid, about 10 part, heated to expel the nitrous fume, filtered and evaporate until it is dry. Then the mass is fused to convert the copper nitrate into insoluble oxide. So obtained product is dissolved in hot water, filter it and kept aside in dark place for crystallization. Crystals are collected on sintered glass crucible and dried at 50 degrees in dark place. Purified of AgNO3 is costly because pure silver and nitric acid free from halogen and sulfur is used. Properties: color white, odor odorless, nature rhombic crystals, taste bitter taste, solubility very soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, freely soluble in boiling alcohol, it becomes grey grayish black. On exposure to light in presence of organic matter due to liberate silver. Chemical properties: 1% solution has pH between 4.5 to 6, 4% solution has between 5.4 to 6.4. At 212 degrees Celsius, it melts to a slightly yellow liquid which on cooling congeals to a white crystalline mass. At high temperature, it slowly decomposes, evolving oxides of nitrogen. It produces chemical reaction of silver ion and nitrate ion. Solution of AgNO3 gives white-yellow, white precipitate with HCl and other halogen-containing salt. The silver halide precipitate is insoluble in dilute acid but dissolved in ammonia. Storage should be stored in a tightly closed, light resistance, non-metallic container Solution should be freshly prepared and supplied in amber colored bottle. Thank you.